Hello students, I Jai Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In this video, I will explain you remaining tools of Photoshop. Drawing tools. You can use tools like rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon and line from the tools panel for drawing various shapes in Photoshop. You can also draw other shapes such as a blob, a heart and arrow using the custom shape tool. Shape tools. Photoshop also assists in drawing vector based shapes. Here are a few examples of shape tool. Rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool. Custom shape tool. The custom shape tool lets you draw a variety of preset shapes like flowers and grids. The steps to use custom shape tool are: Step 1. Select the custom shape tool from the tools panel. Step 2. Select a shape from the shapes pop-up panel in options bar. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse to draw the selected custom shape. Now you can see examples of custom shape tool. Painting tools. The painting tools are used for changing the fill colors of an image. The painting tools available in Photoshop are brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, history brush tool, paint bucket tool and gradient tool. You can use brush tool and pencil tool to apply colors with brush strokes, while the gradient and paint bucket tool can be used to apply color to large areas. Let us discuss some of these tools. Brush tools. The brush tool can be used to create soft strokes of colors in your image. Now, following are the options are available for brush tools. First is brush preset picker. It lets you change the master diameter of the brush. The master diameter determines the size of the brush. You can change the size either by dragging the master diameter slider or by selecting a preset brush at the bottom of the menu. Second option is mod. It allows you to set the painting mode such as to darken and to lighten when applying the brush strokes. Third option is opacity. It allows you to set the level of transparency when applying brush strokes. Decreasing the opacity makes you brush more transparent, while increasing the opacity make it less transparent. Fourth option is flow. It allows you to specify how quickly the paint will be applied. Gradient tool. The gradient tool is used to fill selected areas with a palette of multiple colors. You can choose from the linear, radial, angle, reflected or the diamond gradient types. The steps to use the gradient tool are: Step 1. Select the area of the image in which you want to apply the gradient tool using one of the selection tool. Step 2. Select the gradient tool. Step 3. Click on the gradient sample box in the options bar. The gradient editor dialog box will be appears. Step 4. Select a preset gradient fill or create a new gradient fill in the gradient editor dialog box. Click on OK to close the dialog box. Step 5. Choose an appropriate gradient type in the options bar. Step 6. Place the mouse pointer in the selected area where you want to set the starting point of the gradient and drag to define the end point. Now you can see the example of gradient tool. Color replacement tool. The color replacement tool in Photoshop enables you to replace the color of an image with the colors of the foreground. When you choose this tool, the mouse pointer changes to the target symbol. As you drag the color replacement tool, it picks up sample of the color that has to be replaced. That color is then replaced with the color that you have selected from the foreground. You can also specify various settings to control the behavior of the color replacement tool in options bar. The steps to use the color replacement tool are: Step 1. Set up foreground color using the color picker in the tools panel. Step 2. Select the color replacement tool. The pointer shape changes to the target symbol. Step 3. Set the appropriate option for the tolerance and the limits in the option bar. Step 4. Drag the target symbol over the part where you want to change the color. Now you can see the example of color replacement tool. This image is the original image, and this is the image after using the color replacement tool. You can see the difference between both images. So dear students, I hope you understood the tools of Photoshop. Thank you and have a nice day.